Hi, I'm Art Reed, President of the Northern Kentucky Association of Realtors.
And I'm Cheryl Watson, President of the Northern Kentucky MLS. This is your market update.
In neighborhoods across Northern Kentucky, there are hints that spring is on its way.
As our neighbors emerge from their winter cocoons to start a walking plan, take a bike ride, or watch children play outside, we get that feeling of renewal and new energy that has been dormant during the cold, snowy winter months.
You may start to notice more and more realtor for sale signs pop up too. It's that time of year when sellers are anxious to get their homes listed and potential buyers are out there hoping to find their American dream.
The Northern Kentucky Association of Realtors and its multiple listing service are pleased to announce that average sale prices in February 2015 rose 11%, $152,404 versus $137,072 over average sale prices in February of 2014.
Sales are still lagging a bit due to an extremely cold and snowy February. That's expected to turn around as more seasonal weather brings buyers out to see what's new on the market.
In February, the MLS had 539 homes go under contract or pending.
That's 98 more than they went pending on February 2014. So it looks like 2015 will start to gain steam to compete with 2014, when the highest number of sales volume were reported since 2007.
Northern Kentucky Realtors anticipate a strong housing market this spring. It's a perfect time for renters to consider buying a home.
In the last few years, lending has been so restrictive that many would-be buyers have been forced to rent. That's caused rental prices to skyrocket all across the country.
There are new financing programs for buyers with smaller down payments that are perfect for renters to make the switch to home ownership, possibly saving hundreds of dollars a month that they are currently paying to rent.
Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac announced this week that first-time home buyers can now qualify for conventional loans with down payments as low as 3%.
We expect this will open the door for qualified home shoppers who may have been sidelined the last few years because of higher down payment requirements.
Freddie Mac launched Home Possible Advantage, a conventional mortgage with a 3% down payment requirement geared to low and moderate income borrowers.
It's a conforming conventional mortgage with a maximum loan-to-value ratio of 97%. To qualify, first-time homebuyers are required to participate in a borrower education program.
With Fannie Mae's 3% down payment offering, borrowers must still meet standard eligibility requirements, including underwriting, income documentation, and risk management standards.
Any buyer can take advantage of Fannie's loans as long as at least one co-borrower is a first-time buyer. These loans will require private mortgage insurance.
Realtors applaud these programs and the government's commitment to home ownership.
The new program ensures that responsible home buyers will have access to safe, affordable mortgage credit.
Purchasing a home is one of the most important decisions in your lifetime. Working with a professional realtor is a wise choice.
Their support, knowledge, and experience with the entire home selling or home buying process is essential to a smooth real estate transaction.
Remember, your local realtor is a member of the Multiple Listing Service, the most current source of listing data.
Call a realtor today.
I'm Art Reed.
And I'm Cheryl Watson. Thank you.